Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee, and today I am back with a incoming swap. This is from the Paper Art Swap group, and my partner was Christina Edmiston. She has a YouTube channel which will be linked below, and we were swapping mini clipboards. So this was my second mini clipboard swap. I had signed up for 2 of them. So here's the package. Let's open it and see what she sent. I'm already seeing sequins and seed beads on the tape. I've already opened it, but I opened it so it'd just be easier to show on the video, but I haven't actually gone in the box to see what's inside. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, I see sequins coming out. How cute. She has all kinds of like little sequins all over. Look how cute that is packaged. We'll pull everything out and then I'll move the box. So Christina just started her channel, and I think right now she has 7 subscribers, so it'd be really awesome if you guys would check her out, and if you like her channel, maybe subscribe to her. Oh, I don't even want to look at any of this stuff yet. Okay, let me put it to the side. And she sent me a note. I hope you like everything in this box. Most of it is handmade. Have a blessed day, Christina. Christina, girl, I know I will love it. Oh, and then there's all kinds of like sequin and shaker bits down here, which I am totally saving because that is such a cute mix. Okay. Let's start with this first one here. Oh, how cute. So it's the clipboard. Oh my gosh, look at that charm. How cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that charm, you guys. That is so pretty. Let me take it out of the plastic. Look at those flowers. Let me take it out really quick. That is so pretty. So she put bows on it, and she made a charm that has all kinds of cute, yummy, chunky beads on it. And let's see, this says fresh flowers. Let me try to move that out of the way. Fresh flowers every day, and it's got a bicycle. Look at that cute butterfly and all the flowers that she attached. And then on the back, it says, "Live life in full bloom," and "Handmade with love by Christina Edmiston." So pretty, Christina. You did so good. I love it. Love, love, love it. We will set that there. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, look at how pretty these are. I love those. I wonder if she made those like tassels individually, or if she already had those pieces and just put it behind it. That looks like cupcake liners maybe. So cute. I love these. Those are adorable. So cute. Put those there. And this says, "Fill your life with flowers." Oh, how nice. Look at these paper clips. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Let's open one so you can get a better look. We'll pull this out. It's so cute how she packaged it, because she put like a couple of pieces of paper so that you could like actually hook it on. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are gonna go in my planner for sure. Let me center this again. So cute. I might even share some in some Happy Mail for someone. Oh my gosh, I love these. Those are so adorable. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Some more paper clips. These are pom-poms in pretty spring colors. And she's got the topper with the cute flowers. So adorable. And then this adorable pen with the butterfly on the top with the pom-pom, and it's all wrapped in ribbon. Oh, and she put a little butterfly on it. How cute. Then we have some really cute tags. Today is a new day. Let's open this. Whoa, 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 I'm dropping stuff. Super cute. Look at that bird cage and all the layering she did. Super cute. I love that gold, whatever that is back there. That's so pretty. And then this one. All the trim. Oh, so this is trim that was on those. Great idea. I love it. Pretty butterfly. We'll put those there. And then we've got this little package. Super cute washi tape, super cute bag. Oh, she made some sequins mixes. Oh my gosh, nice. So this is what was inside the bag. That is so cute. That is such a pretty mix. And I can share these with people because there's 4 of them. So I can just share them in, you know, Happy Mail and other swaps that I do. What a great idea to do that for someone, to give them little things to give away like that. So cute. And let's see, what do we have here? Is this a notepad? I think this is a really cute notepad if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, did she alter this? So I'm wondering if she altered this, like if it was another notepad and she just altered it with paper. How cute. I love the bicycles. That is so cute. That's adorable. And then the washi tape on the spine. Super cute. And then we have this cute bag, which has this beautiful flower on it. I love how I have sprinkles all over my desk. It's making me so happy. This beautiful flower. Oh, this flower is a clip. Oh, that's so cool. So I can reuse it. That is so cool. So it's like a barrette clip and you can just reuse it. Put it on another package. I love how everything's like coordinated colors too, like pink and turquoise and purple in full bloom. Oh my gosh, Christina, you made so many things, girl. Oh my gosh. So I love these coils because I love making charms out of these. So those are super pretty. I love those colors. And then she sent, let's see, what is this? Oh, so it's pieces where I can make my own charms. So it's like little bottle cap with images on them. And they already come with a charm holder. And I can just make my own charms with them. And then it has paper clips and all sorts of little cute bits and pieces and tassels. Oh my gosh, such a great idea to send somebody a little bag where they can just make their own charms or make their own tassels or what have you. That is so cute. I love it. Thank you. And then also were these really pretty butterfly stickers. And a tag, a bicycle tag that matches the bicycle book. And then finally, we have this. Let's see what we have here. So are these papers? I think these might be papers. Let's see. Oh, so I think these might be scrap papers. I love those birds. Those are so pretty. I would love to get this paper. And then what do we have here? We've got Fill Your Life with Flowers. So it looks like she sent some of the papers that she used possibly. Oh, these are pretty. I love these. Oh, I love this one. In Bloom. Fresh flowers. These are such pretty papers. I love this wreath with the birds on it. That is so cute. Fresh cut flowers with the blue truck. Look at that. That is so cute. I love it. I wonder what paper pack this is. I need it. Christina, what paper pack is this? In full bloom. So pretty. Plus she gives me ideas to decorate my packages with because, oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. She gave me ideas because like I have pieces in my paper packs where I'm like, that's an odd size. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's such a good idea to just put it on a bag. And then when you're giving somebody something, you can like decorate a bag with it. Such a good idea. So that was everything from my friend Christina, my new friend Christina Edmiston. Like I said, she has a brand new YouTube channel. If you wouldn't mind going and checking her out, I would really appreciate it. She just did a video where she showed like all her bead organization, and she kind of like, it was kind of just like a really relaxed, chill video where she just kind of went through all her little containers and stuff. And then she has some other videos too on her channel, but she's really sweet, and I hope you'll just go check her out and maybe subscribe if her channel is something that would interest you. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.